was the start of my sophomore year. I had my broken heart, you were my biggest fear. And then you watched me run out of all the right things to say, still finding reasons to stay with you. Gave you a call because I needed a ride, and never thought I'd be with you in your passenger side. And now I'm driving downtown, baby, you make me feel young, like I just turned 21. Yeah.
Hey friends, I hope you are all doing well. Thank you so much for stepping into my corner of the world today. In today's video, I am catching up on a ton of laundry. All of our regular laundry had been piling up for quite a while. Plus, I had a bunch of summer clothes that I had brought out of storage for my son, and all of those needed washing too. So all of this together added up to 5 loads of laundry to get done in less than 24 hours. It was quite a challenge. For those of you who are new here, my name is Emily. I'm so happy that you could join me today, and I want to make sure that we stay connected, so please be sure to say hi down in the comments just so I don't miss you. Okay, let's get started. I'll be popping in every once in a while in the audio just to check in, but for now, welcome once again, and please enjoy the video. Lately, I have been getting my son more involved with everyday tasks, and laundry is definitely his favorite task to help me with. So you'll see here I hand him things to throw in the laundry. It's so cute, and he loves to push the button on the washer and watch the water fill up in the washer. It's just adorable. But anyways, like I mentioned a little bit earlier in this video, whenever I sort my laundry, I always sort it into 2 different types of piles, a warm load and then cold load. So here, what I'm doing, what I couldn't fit in the first warm load, I'm just putting in the other basket for a second warm load. And then now that a basket is free, I'm putting cold load into the basket. So I ended up with 2 warm loads, 2 cold loads, and then a load of rags.
I don't mind if you stay by my side and never let go. I don't mind if you stay all the time, I'll never let go.
Also, I did just want to drop my Instagram handle in here in case anyone wanted to follow me on that social media platform. I am pretty active on stories, so if you want to follow along with my day-to-day life, then you can find me at Emily_Garlinski.
We'll end up in a bar tonight where drinks turn off the filter right, put in place to hide things we both know. It's obvious there'll come a time I'll board a plane and leave behind the closest thing to home, away from home. My mind won't forget nights like these ones. I'm falling before I go again. I've tried to pretend time is on our side. I'm falling before I go again.
Okay friends, so for the last few videos I have been including a challenge, And your challenge this week is to do one small thing for yourself. I'm sure that you get inundated with information about self-care, but it really is so important. We as humans, moms, homemakers, cannot fill from an empty cup. It is so important to take care of ourselves, you guys. And I know when I don't take time for myself, it affects my mood, which then affects how I am as a mama and wife. Self-care doesn't have to be baths and face masks. It can be something that relaxes us, of course, but I'm sure that there are so many of you who do not have tons of free time. So self-care means a lot more than just pampering. It can be caring for your soul through reading the Bible, praying, meditating. It can be taking care of our emotions through journaling, having a good cry, or venting to a friend. It can be something physical, like taking a walk, eating some delicious food, or hey, even taking a nap. So I want you to brainstorm, and I want you to think of one way that you can show up for yourself and your well-being this week. And if you feel comfortable, let me know down in the comments below. For me personally, I think that what I need to do for myself is exercise. I've been so up and down with exercise since my son was born, and sweating honestly gives me such a good emotional, mental, and obviously physical release, and it puts me in such an amazing mood, and I really need to do more of that for myself this week. It really fills me up and helps me be a better mama and wife and just overall human. So if you feel comfortable, let me know down below what your self-care is going to be this week. At the beginning of this video, I mentioned that part of the reason why I had so much laundry was because I was washing a bunch of clothes that my son was going to be using in the summertime. So since I washed all of those new summer clothes, I decided that my son's drawers in his dresser needed to be rearranged. So what I ended up doing was putting all of the shorts in this top drawer here. It used to be pants and pajamas, but I decided to move the pajamas and the pants to the second drawer, so now it has socks, the pants, and the pajamas. And then the other three drawers pretty much stayed the same.
I think I never know. I don't think they know. Should I really care? I know my light is there. I know what the sun.
While I was at it, I also decided to organize my son's closet a little bit differently. So what I ended up doing was taking out the footy pajamas that are on the far left, and then what was left was jackets, and then moving from left to right, jackets, and then zip-ups and hoodies, button-ups, long sleeves, short sleeves, and then sleeveless shirts. So jackets on the far left, and then all the way down to sleeveless shirts on the far right.
So tell me who's gonna love you like I do? Who's gonna touch you like I do? Who's gonna love you like I do tonight, tonight? Who's gonna love you like I do? Who's gonna touch you like I do? Who's gonna love you like I do tonight, tonight?
next few clips here, you'll probably see my son dancing around the room and me bopping to the beat a little bit. My son and I love to listen to music, especially at about 4 or 5 o'clock. I start to get really sleepy, so I turn on music and we have a little bit of a dance party most afternoons. And so I hope that you enjoy my son's dance moves, and you'll see a little bit of my dance moves a little bit later too.
Like I do. Who's gonna love you like I do tonight, tonight? So tell me who's gonna love you like I do? Who's gonna touch you like I do? Who's gonna love you like I do tonight, tonight? Like I do. Baby, you could keep me going, 'cause you've been everywhere. Let me take up all the love you're showing. I need it more than air. And you know that I've been suffocating. You could be the one to help, but my issues are nauseating. I don't wanna bring you down. I just wanna be free from the freak and feel love for the first time. I just wanna love something about me, see something to open my eyes. Don't wanna be the only one with a house key, have something I'm proud of. I wish we were living in my dreams, 'cause in another world you come with me and we'd be out of sight, out of mind. Driving windows down with your hand in mine. Out of sight, out of mind, out of sight, out of mind, out of mind. Out of sight, out of mind. Driving windows down, we could take our time. Out of sight, out of mind, out of sight, out of mind, out of mind. Out of sight, out of mind. Driving windows down, we could take our time.
What I find so interesting is that everyone does laundry differently. So as you can see here, I take everything out of the basket and I sort it into different piles. So I'll do towels and then Landon's clothes and socks and then underwear. So I sort everything in the basket first and then I'll actually start folding. I just find it interesting that some people just each individual thing that they pull out of the basket, they fold and then put that into, you know, their proper assignment category, whatnot. But I just pull everything out of the basket, categorize it first, and then start folding. I would love to know down in the comments how you go about your laundry. Let me know.
Dreams, 'cause in another world you come with me and we'd be out of sight, out of mind. Driving windows down with your hand in mine. Out of sight, out of mind. When I'm dreaming of you here for me. Out of sight, out of mind. Driving windows down, we could take our time. Out of sight, out of mind. When I dream I'm never lonely. Out of sight, out of mind. Driving windows down with your hand in mine. Out of sight, out of mind. Out of sight, out of mind, out of mind. of sight, out of mind. Driving windows down, we could take our time. Out of sight, out of mind, out of sight, out of mind, out of mind. I could be your hero, but I can't get out of bed. There's too much in my head. I could be more faithful, but I fail at that habit. So I run around instead. I wanna be good to myself. Love hard to breathe more, drink less. I wanna be seen at my best. Sleep more, be nice a lot less. All I need is 21 days and I'm fine. January 1, I'ma still need more time. Every single year, yeah, it never fails, I try. But maybe I don't ever wanna put down this life. I could be your best friend, but I can't pick up my phone. Let it ring cause no one's home. I'm always judging and degrading. I should stop all that, I'm sure. But I'm just too insecure. I wanna be good to myself. Love hard to breathe more, drink less. I wanna be seen at my best. Sleep more, be nice a lot less. All I need is 21 days and I'm fine. January 1, I'ma still need more time. Every single year, yeah, it never fails, I try. But maybe I don't ever wanna put down this life. All I need is 21 days and I'm fine. January 1, I'ma still need more time.
As we are coming to a close, I want to thank you so much for watching. I know that there are a lot of other things that you could be doing besides watching YouTube, so it means the world to me that you are choosing to hang out with me today. If you enjoyed any part of this video or found it entertaining, helpful, or motivating, would you please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. Don't forget to say hi down in the comments, and don't forget to complete the challenge for this week. Until next time, bye!
I wanna come to. I want us to stay.